Here's how I DIY'd this t-shirt into a dress from my friend's band Crazy in the Brains from New Jersey. I started with an extra large t-shirt for the length, and I used another band t-shirt dress that I already previously made as my pattern. If it's your first time making one of these, you can take a different dress from your wardrobe that you like the fit of, just make sure it has the same stretch and pull as the t-shirt. Normally at this point I would use my overlock sewing machine, but it needs to be serviced, so I cheated and used my straight stitch to combine the pieces. After the pieces were combined, I cut the neckline. From previous band tee dresses I've made, they were a little bit short and rode up, so I decided to add a trim to make sure my booty was covered. For this trim, I did 2 different fabrics, the striped black and red and a sparkly black tulle. Then it's back to the sewing machine. For this one, you do actually want to use a straight stitch. As you can see, I'm folding over to make the pleats and going very slowly with this to try and make them as even as possible. I know a lot of sewing machines do have a pleat attachment, but I've never had a lot of luck with those, so I prefer to do it by hand and just eyeball it. After the trim is sewn on and secured, turn it right side out and do a top stitch so that the pleats will sit flat. Here's the finished dress, and wait for the next clip to see the finished outfit in full effect. Off to the punk rock show. Subscribe to Erin Micklow on YouTube for all my punk rock band interviews.